Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Are you planning to open a bank account with Chase? It's a smart choice. But before you walk into a branch or start online, you should know what documents you'll need. In this video, we'll explain everything step by step from ID proof to address proof and even income related documents if required. So stay with us and let's make the account opening process simple and easy for you. To clearly understand what documents are required to open an account with Chase Bank, we have come directly to Chase Bank's official website. Let's see what they say about documentation here. First, let's talk about identification. Here, it says, identification. To prove who you are, you need to show a valid ID. This can be one of the following. Passport with a photo. This is accepted if it's not expired and your face is clearly visible. Driver's license or a state ID. This is the most common form of ID in the US. It should have your photo and current information. Social security card. Some banks may ask for this as a secondary ID, especially for US citizens. Birth certificate. This is only required for minors, meaning people under 18 years. For more specific ID types that Chase accepts, they also have a PDF guide called Acceptable Forms of ID. You can check that on their website if needed. The link is given in description. Next is proof of address. Banks also need to know where you live. So you must provide a document that shows your name and your current address. Here are some examples of what you can use. Mortgage document. If you own a home, this shows your residential address. Utility bill, like electricity, water, or gas bill. As long as it has your name and address. Bank statement or credit card statement. These are also accepted if they are recent and show your correct address. Make sure that any document you provide is recent and not expired. Old or outdated documents may not be accepted. That's it. These are the basic documents you need to open a Chase Bank account.